simplify this now. We have this I at the bottom of the fraction, so the complex number here. Remember, I is the same as square root of minus 1. To eliminate the I, can somebody tell me what do we need to multiply this with? Anybody with the mic?
3 minus 2i.
Right. Multiply by its conjugate. 3 minus 2i. 3 minus 2i. Okay, remember, a minus b times a plus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. Okay. Somebody tell me what this 3 plus 2i times 3 minus 2i would equal to then?
9 minus 4i squared.
So the first term here would be 3, would be 9, you're right. And the second term would be 4i squared. So but what is I squared is equal to, anyone?
Negative 1.
Negative 1. Okay, once again, I is equal to square root of minus 1. I squared would be equal to square root of minus 1 times square root of minus 1, which gives me minus 1. So everywhere you see I squared, you can replace it with minus 1. So that would be minus 1 times 4. So here we have 9 minus, so it would be 4 times minus 1 would be equal to minus 4. The whole thing would be 9 plus 4, which is equal to what?
13.
13. So the bottom of the fraction, this whole thing would be equal to 13. That's how you rationalize this now. That's how you eliminate the I, multiplying by its conjugate. And the top of the fraction, we get 5 minus 2i times 3 minus 2i. Let's go ahead and evaluate that. 5 minus 2i times 3 minus 2i. So let's multiply it. 3 times 5 will be 15.
15 minus 10i minus 6i plus 4i squared.
Equals minus 10i. And then here we get minus 6i plus 4i squared. Very good. So again, I squared, we're going to replace I squared with minus 1. Everywhere I see I squared, I'm going to replace it with minus 1. So here we have 4 times minus 1. If I combine these two, I would get, looks like I get minus 16i. So this would be just minus 4. And then we have another constant here. So can somebody put all this together? What do I get? 15 minus 4, which is equal to what? $11?
11.
11 minus 16i, is that right? Good. All right, so that would be the top of the fraction. So we have 11 minus 16i over 13. So if I want to write this as in the form of a plus bi, I can separate these. That would be 11 over 13. That would be my a. And my b would be 16 over 13i. So that would be the final answer here. 11 over 13 minus 16 over 13i.